things I'm unlearning in my 20s. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as we all know that turning 20 is basically unlocking a new level of confusion in your life. Because suddenly you're old enough to make your own decisions, but somehow still young enough to Google how this tax system actually works. And the weirdest part is that nobody tells you that your 20s are basically realizing that half the things you believed growing up were completely wrong. So these are few things I'm currently unlearning in my 20s, and honestly, some of them are harder than I expected. Point number one and mostly relatable. More friends equals to better life. पहले I used to think that small group of friends means कुछ तो मेरे में ही हो जाए, कुछ तो दिक्कत है मेरे में, something is wrong with me. But now I think that 2 or 3 people जिनको तुम रात के 2 बजे भी कॉल कर रहे हो और वो उठा ले and you end up having a good and laughable conversation with them is worth having 20 people in your life. So from now for me it's always quality over quantity. Point number two, and the important one, that changing my mind means I failed. We treat changing our mind like we failed. Like imagine आज हम लोग कुछ start किए and उसको बीच में छोड़ दिया and वो पूरा नहीं हुआ. तो वी थिंक दैट यार क्या ही टाइम वेस्ट हुआ है, ना ही एंड रिजल्ट मिला, सारा टाइम और पैसा एंड पीस गया, वो अलग. इससे अच्छा कुछ हम और कर लिए होते. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. Sometimes you didn't waste your time. You learn over time that you don't want that thing anymore. The version of you who made the decision had different information, and now it's you who have more information. So we are allowed to make a different decision. Point number three, everyone has to like me. OMG, if I talk about myself, I'm an 24/7 overthinker. And I used to think क्या मेरे बात से किसको बुरा लगा, क्या मेरा टोन वियर्ड था, क्या हमको ज़्यादा बोल दी, क्या मेरे को अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करना चाहिए. And now I realize people are not thinking about me as much as I think they do. Everyone is just busy with their life. And to be honest, that's freeing. I'm not here telling you to be rude to people or to stop caring about them. I'm just telling that being liked by everyone is not the same thing as being respected or being happy. Point number four. Being busy means I'm productive. पहले I used to think कि एक बार में 15 काम करूँ, and at the end of the day I was like wow, I did so much today. Did I? Recently, I learned that being busy and actually moving forward are two complete different things. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is finish one thing instead of starting seven. And productive isn't about how exhausted we are at the end of the day, but it's about something actually moved forward or not. Now, point number five, and this one is actually making me uncomfortable, but yeah, if I'm jealous, I'm a bad person. This happens with all of us that when someone achieves something, we are genuinely happy for them. Like हम लोग सच में खुश होते हैं, but there is this silent thought in our mind that says, I want that too. Like अगर किसी के ज़्यादा followers है तो यार मेरे को भी चाहिए. अगर कोई घूमने जा रहा है तो यार मेरे को भी जाना है. अगर कोई बहुत पैसा कमा रहा है तो यार मेरे को भी कमाना है. And then you feel guilty for even wanting something for you. But jealousy isn't always telling you that you hate someone. Come on guys, it's not even jealousy, because you are actually wanting something for you without feeling bad or hating someone. So instead of asking why am I jealous of them, simply ask what is this feeling trying to tell me. Point number six, that not every hobby needs to become a career. This one is hard for me because it took me very long to make this topic really cool. Like we all know that everyone has one or more hobbies that we think that ये तो मेरी specialty है, इसको हम आगे लेकर जाएंगे. But sometimes things does not work like what we imagine, and something same happened with me. I was a person who one day randomly started dancing, and believe me, very random, in a family function. And let me tell you, I was a very shy kid. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही शॉक कर दिया सबको कि भाई इसको अचानक से क्या हो गया आज and everything. But आफ्टर सीइंग मी डांसिंग दे चीयर्ड मी. एंड ये तो नॉर्मल है यार कि फैमिली सपोर्ट करते हैं बच्चे को. एंड but when I saw my video, I was boomed, and then I opened up in this field. Every person in and around knew I was a good dancer, and they made me believe that. But from last 2 years, I'm not into dancing, and I will make another video about it in which I'm going to talk about this. Otherwise, ये लंबा video बन जाएगा बहुत. So yeah, just want to say that not everything you love needs to make money. जिंदगी में कुछ सिर्फ enjoy करने के लिए होता है, and believe me, it's coming from a person जो बहुत रोया है इस चीज को लेके. Now, point seven, that confidence means never feeling insecure. So, I used to think confident people had some kind of secret setting turn in their brain. Okay, like they wake up in the morning, look in the mirror, and go, damn, I look amazing. Meanwhile, me, मेरे ना 50 पिक्चर्स आता है, उसमें से 49 तो हम ऐसे ही डिलीट कर देते हैं, और जो लास्ट रहता है उसको जूम करके देख रहे होते हैं कि इसमें हम अच्छे क्यों नहीं लग रहे हैं. But I think I'm slowly understanding that confidence doesn't mean you never feel insecure. Like, you can be confident and still have days where you don't like how you look, where you feel nervous and think people are judging you. But the difference is that insecurity doesn't make the decision for you. You can be scared to post the video, but you post it anyway. Maybe confidence isn't thinking, I'm definitely going to be amazing at this. Maybe it's about कि ये काम मेरे से कैसे होगा, but कैसे भी होगा हम कर लेंगे. And I think that's something I'm still learning in my 20s. I'm still insecure about a lot of things. I still overthink. I still compare myself sometimes. But I'm realizing that I don't need to wait until I completely love myself or completely believe in myself before I start doing anything. I can be insecure and still show up. Because if you keep waiting to feel confident before you do something, you'll probably wait forever. So these are the things that I'm slowly unlearning in my 20s. And we don't have to have everything figured out. And of course, we don't have to become a perfect version of ourselves overnight. Like, we are still learning, we are still messing up, we are still changing our mind. And honestly, I think that's okay. So, if you're also figuring things out, then maybe we don't need to have all the answers right now. Maybe we just need to keep going, keep learning, and give ourselves a little room to grow. And yeah, welcome to your 20s. We are just beginning it. So, see you in the next one. तब तक के लिए, tada!